In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're looking to take a break from streaming or simply want to cut down on expenses, cancelling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you know exactly how to do it. To get started, open your web browser and go to primevideo.com. This is the official website for Amazon Prime Video, and you'll need to be here to manage your account settings. Once the page has loaded, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Amazon credentials to access your account. Make sure you remember your login information, as this is key to accessing your account details. After you've successfully logged in, locate your profile icon. You'll find this typically in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on the profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, you'll want to click on Account and Settings. This section is where all your subscription details and account preferences are managed. Once you've clicked on it, the website will redirect you to a new page with a variety of tabs and settings, options related to your account. On this new page, look for the Your Membership tab, or a similar option, which might be labeled as Memberships and Subscriptions. Here is where Amazon lists your current subscription details and options for membership management. In this area, you should see an option labeled End Membership. Clicking this option will initiate the cancellation process for your Amazon Prime Video subscription. It's important to note that depending on your billing cycle, your subscription may not be cancelled immediately. You might still have access to Prime Video until the end of your current billing period. If you're uncertain about any details, make sure to read through any prompts or information provided during this cancellation process to understand when your subscription will officially end. This process shouldn't take more than a few minutes. However, double-check that you receive an email confirmation of the cancellation. This serves as your assurance that the action has been processed and your subscription will no longer be renewed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription. Remember, should you choose to resubscribe in the future, the process is equally straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have other questions about managing your online subscriptions, feel free to explore more of our helpful tutorials.